Cute.
Your granny's cute?
Uh-huh. Hopefully to get tall.
Uh-huh.
My papa is big.
Your papa's big?
Uh-huh.
Is he strong too?
Uh-huh. He has a balloon.
Oh yeah? He can get you a balloon?
Uh-huh. He's too high.
It's too high for Mommy. Mommy can't reach up there.
You're too small.
I'm too small?
No, you're big.
So how much do you miss Papa? Just much?
2 minutes.
Just much?
2 minutes.
About that much?
Yeah.
Even more?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Show me.
The puppy's big.
Uh-huh.
He got big feet. Big feet.
He has big feet?
Uh-huh. I do.
Alright, say bye, Papa.
Huh?
Say bye, Papa.
Papa.